Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something slightly different. I'm going to do some potato wedges. I'm going to make some gammon in cast iron skillet, but for today I'm using my Vonshef 10-inch pancake crepe skillet. So what I do is I get a full potato, cut it into wedges. Now this is like an alternative to chips, as we call them, or fries as the Americans call them, but we call them chips, just the proper chips. So all we do is cut them up, cut that off, obviously leave the skins on, that's where all your goodness is. So all I'm doing is cutting these into half again, and then half again. So if that's my maths, that's 8 per potato. Some say potato, some say potato. So in half again, and half again. Dead easy. Like I said, leave the skins on. That's where all the goodness is. I might actually do another one. Never go to waste. Not in this house anyway. Right, so that's them cut up. So what I'm going to do is, this is my cold skillet. It's not been preheated because it's just going straight into the oven. So give that a coating of the olive oil. I'll put these on, fill them up. Like I said, I've probably done too much here, but no doubt kids will use them later on as well. Just pile them on. So there we go. So that's them. So I'm going to put a bit more olive oil on them. And coated. And then I'm going to put some salt on. And then we're going to put some black pepper on that I've grounded from yesterday. And good dusting. And added to this, I'm going to put some rosemary. Not too much. And then on top of that, I'm going to put on some garlic. Just a couple of cloves of garlic. Probably only need the one, but hell. And there's 2. So there's my garlic. Crushed, and I'm just gonna put them sporadically on the pan. That's a big word, isn't it? Pan. And then there will go in my auger for roughly 20-25 minutes. So let's put those in the auger. Gas mark God knows, for 20 minutes roughly each. About 25 minutes, 20 minutes, not that long. The best thing about the Arga is you can't burn anything unless you leave it in for like days on end. You can't really burn anything. I'll give you a quick guided tour actually while they're in. I'm preparing my gammon steaks. This is my actual burner. That's the gas. Now originally this was a solid fuel Arga, so this is where all your coals went and you were cleaning it out every morning and stuff. But got it converted to gas. That's my sort of cooking oven that's not as hot as the roasting oven. So I don't know what you call that, like a simmering oven or something, but that's 200 odd degrees. And then obviously I've got my main oven, which is 400 plus, and then the two hot plates, 600, and I think that's around about 300-ish. But yeah, so that's my Arga. Me and my mate built the brick surrounding the fireplace. Look about it, but that's it. But yeah, it stays on 24/7, and the heat off it is just unbelievable, superb. So let's get the gammon steaks ready, shall we? Whoa, that's hot. The big boy. Seasoning is not as brilliant on this as my others. It'll be good enough for today. So that's warming up. It's just starting to smoke now, so I'm going to give it some fry light. I called it light fry the other day. So the seasoning on this isn't as good because my big problem is I tend to over season it. I mean, obviously when you're told to put it upside down, they create fucking like blobs on them, and that's what happened with this. But it's good enough for today. See how it goes. I mean, there's nothing breaking away and there's nothing coming off in the food. Even if it does, it's el naturel, so that's nice and smoky. What I'm going to do in this is a couple of gammon chops, and then I'm going to I might actually use my 3.5 inch skillet for an egg, a nice perfect round egg. So let's get the gammons in, shall we? Here are the gammons. Nice. We've got one smoked, one unsmoked. So one's for me, one's for the wife. I like my stuff smoked. Can't beat a bit of smoke, even though I'm a non-smoker. So that's nice and smoky. Let's get these gammons in. I've not actually seasoned these with salt and pepper, because obviously gammons, same with bacon, it's quite salty anyway. But what I will do, sprinkle a bit of pepper on. I do prefer using ground beef pepper kernels when you grind them up yourself, because they're just so much richer in flavour. And I love my black pepper. I have black pepper and everything. So give those a. These will take literally minutes to cook. If they're done before my wedges are done, then I'll just keep them in the warming part of the Arga. As you can see, that's bubbling nicely. That. Juices are running out nicely now. How anybody can say that they haven't got time for cooking is beyond me. But in less than 10-15 minutes you got yourself gammon, chips, egg. You know what I mean? And it's so quick. That's what I like about the cast iron. It's quick. Does the job. You know what I mean? You're not slaving over a hot cooker. 15 hours on time. I think. Let's have a look. Let's have a cheeky turn, shall we? Oh, look at them. bit of gammon. So yeah, what I think I'll do is I'll do a couple of eggs. I'll do me 3.5 inch skillet. And do you know what? I'm going to be a bit cheeky and I'm going to throw it in there. And let's get that warmed up. Let's get a bit of butter in that. Let's crack an egg in this. There you go, look at that. 3.5 inch skillet, large skillet. I think it was £9 on Amazon, free delivery. I'm going to get another, I think I might get another 3. So I've got like one each for family and we can all have eggs at the same time. But I just like it's the perfect size for like I said, the tea cake or the barn cake, wherever you're living. I.e. the burger buns that we have. That's going to cook nicely. That egg looks like it's cooking on the outside now. Again, the beauty of these is you know, if you just want to crisp something up or make sure it's cooked all the way through, slap it in the oven. You know, you're not using like 3 or 4 or 5 different pans for a meal. You can, like when I make a full fry up, everything goes in the same pan. I mean, this is the 30cm or 12 inch large skillet. I'm hoping to get they do a 17 inch one, and the diameter of the plate is actually 30cm, but the way they measure it is it's 30cm from the top, not the bottom. And I've worked it out. I think I can just fit nicely a 17 inch skillet on this plate, and I'll just cook everything all in one pan. Superb. So what I'm going to do, using the Jedi mind trick, I'm going to put this on my slow simmering plate. Give it another minute and then I might actually put it in the oven itself. It's looking like it's doing alright as it is, so I might just have to I mean, look, it's not even sticking. Look at that. And you've got a perfect round egg. Phenomenal. And again, the beauty of the cast iron is I could take that off the heat, leave it in the middle there, or put it to one side on a trivet or a chopping board, and it's going to still cook for a couple of minutes easy because the heat just stays on. These steaks are practically done. Eggs nearly done. Let's be a bit cocky, shall we? Let's get that egg on there, and then we're going to do another one. L next to you. Oh, popped it. That's nice. Flags in there. Number one out. Let's get this one out. Leave that for the washing up gremlins. It's amazing how you just put pots, you know, outside at the sink, and by the time you come down in the morning they're all done. It's fantastic. Let's check these out. Nice and crispy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.